looks pretty rusty. Final job will look amazing. Also the pillars with the chrome mirror-like. We will go over through the painting and many different components. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary with this beauty, the Pagoda. In today's video I will show you the full phases, how it is arriving here at Motor Classic Hungary for restoration, like the car in the front, the final stage, like this in front of me, and the stages in between, as you can see from the bodywork over here. We will go over through the painting and many different components.
Over and over, I keep going over the world we...
You can already see some elements over there. The amazing thing is that everything at Motor Classic Hungary, the full restoration is done under one roof. And this enables perfect quality, precision of restoration. Here are the cylinders. Amazing, guys. And just look at the precision, just like a Formula 1 workstation, guys. All the details done in-house. Beautiful materials that they work with. We have the Pagoda over here. In total there are 4 more models they work on. The 300 SL, the W111s, the Mercedes 600. So in today's video we will solely focus on the Pagodas. As I said, this is the final model, as it will be after full testing restoration. And this is how it arrives at Motor Classic Hungary. Today, 2 new Pagodas arrived for full treatment. Let's have a closer look at this Pagoda that just arrived. It looks pretty rusty. We do see the white exterior color. It matches with the other one that is fully done. And we are missing some parts, the tail lights, the chrome around it. But of course, it will be taken care of here, all in-house. The interior looks amazing. It does have character though, this old rusty look. The leather is all torn, but it will be taken care of, as I said, in-house. So from this, it will be taken apart all the way down to the chassis. All these elements you will see at the paint shop later on. After the paintwork, it will look something like this. We have here different colors available, so let me know in the comment section below what kind of color would you want your Pagoda to have. We have this violet-like red, strawberry red, and the beautiful bluer color. And I'm really a fan of the blue, to be honest. Obviously, we have also the white one over here, the creme. And you do see this one, it will be maybe a little bit brighter. Just check out the side mirror cap. The final job will look amazing. Also the pillars, beautiful chrome. The door handle with the old school knob and all the details inside. I did show you the chroming department right here at Motor Classic Hungary. Just make sure you also watch the other videos where we show you more of the engine, how everything works with the 6 cylinders of the Pagoda. The leather and the fabric is done just here behind the corner. Other sections are further away. So let's have a more detailed look inside. We have the beautiful blue seats, fabric. We have wood dash. So let me just open the door and I will take a seat. Amazing feeling to close the door of this Pagoda. So again, this is the automatic gearbox. You do not have a clutch, so you can put it into the 2nd gear, 3rd or 4th, and the 4th is the normal drive gear. Then it allows you to shift automatically into 4 different gears. The number 2, it is more for uphill driving, to leave it only until the 2nd gear, automatically. The build year of this Pagoda is 1968, 280 SL automatic. Beautiful with the Becker, the stereo Grand Prix, defrosting, air conditioning system, the beautiful wood, and I just really love the quality. Steering feels amazing, beautiful quality steering wheel, that feels amazing. The blinker is over here. You of course have the glove compartment with nice chrome and the key to lock it. Then the clock from Mercedes-Benz, already in 1968. Just check out the inside of the door with the chrome mirror-like. So amazing quality. I will just close it. That's how a door needs to sound when it closes. We have matching wheel caps for the exterior. Also the complete inside has been taken care of in this full restoration. I'm very curious the coming months how this will look like. Of course it will go fully stripped down, then the chassis will be taken to the body shop. This chassis on the left is how it just came in from the chemical paint stripping. This is how it arrives before the bodyworks are started. The next stage, it already looks complete, but it is not. It is in the process of body work. Many things like the panel on the shoulder are already fitted, but it is still being worked on. The next phase, like this one, is when the chassis is completely finished, thus the bodywork is finished. It is ready to go for the paint preparation. And these are, by the way, real lamps. They are just fitted to get the right measures for testing. Then we have the 4th one over here, which is in the most far stage. It is already dipped in the KTL. This is the base layer of the filler, so the base coat. Right now we are at the painting shop at Motor Classic Hungary, so indeed in-house. It is a huge area. Behind me we have an example of a Pagoda being prepared for the painting. The preparation itself is very interesting. It starts with KTL, and that is where the body is being submerged into this KTL. This is for cavity protection. This is not KTL'd yet because this is aluminium, and it will be filled with the black matter I told you about. The body surface is gradually being built up with layers until it is smooth all the way out. So they look for imperfections at every stage until it is extremely smooth. The blue color is basically the filler that helps the worker to see whether there are any dents that need to be filled. And they are also working on the complete underneath in full detail, so no part is missed. It will be in a perfect state of smooth body. Such a clean surface, beautiful paint, you don't see any imperfection, it is in perfect condition. And I love to see that the tubes are already installed. You can't restore the tubes, of course, so they need to be replaced. And I also see the galvanized screws. Beautiful, guys. Inside we have already installed some part of the leather, the fabric, and there we have the gearbox. For the strawberry-like color, the more bright red, the same. Tubes are already installed. Interior needs to be taken care of. And it is just in the middle phase, I would say. The blue one is in the earlier stage, I would say. It does not have any of the leather inside. We have some of the tubes installed, not all of them. So it goes step by step. Also the front grille, some parts are missing that we see in the other ones. So that's the next step. The headlights tubes are there. And this one is clearly a little bit further, with some parts of the engine connection already there. Amazing. Very nice to see already a part of the front bumper here and part of the steering wheel. These are the headlights. It is such a precision work, guys. Of course, there's perfect registration of the kilometers with the speedometer. Thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the Pagodas here at Motor Classic Hungary, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.